the Flyer ONE board is made from high-density expanded polypropylene or EPP foam. It's lighter, resistant to bumps and scratches, and extremely easy to clean. The dampening property of the EPP foam also means it reduces the risk of injury to riders when they wipe out. We also have a carbon fiber board for the more experienced, adventurous riders. Now, a lot of people ask us, is the foam hard? What can we screw things into? It also has an aluminium alloy frame that gives it a lot more rigidity and allows it to withstand the force from a lot of acrobatic maneuvers. The Flyer ONE is fully compliant with RoHS standards, and all the materials used are recyclable. The entire board features a modular design that allows everything to be assembled and disassembled within minutes. All the parts fit perfectly together into our lightweight, wheeled travel bag that makes traveling with your Flyer ONE a breeze.